does it work? Oh my god.
Hey,
That's
scary. You didn't even do it right. What are you supposed to say? You gotta do it again.
What do you yell? Or do you say something when you do it?
What do we say? Careful, careful, careful.
Oh!
Oh, what do you say? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
What do you say?
Cannonball! Wow. Did you do it one more time?
Good job!
Say cannonball this time, you goof.
It's not the same if you don't say it.
Yay! Good job. That was perfect. Okay.
That's such a good cannonball.
Wow, there you
Yeah!
go. Good job. You're so good at cannonballs.
Kira, can you?
I'll try it again. Okay.
Wow, such a good cannonball.
Whoa. Yay, good job. You're so good at those.
What do you have?
Oh, we gotta show Grandma. Show Grandma your cannonballs. Okay, watch her cannonball.
That's such a good cannonball. Do you have a cannonball wedgie?
I'm taking a cannonball.
Now let me see the big bad wolf do a cannonball.
Oh.
Oh man.
Let's see a big...
Big bad wolf face! Big bad wolf face!
Oh my gosh, you make me so nervous sometimes. Oh gosh, okay.
Now look at Grandma. Let me see that big bad wolf. Oh!
Oh, careful, careful.